Hi everyone, welcome to sq.cm classes. Today in this video we have to draw a square of area 3.8 square centimeter by using compass. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a line of length, any length. So first drawing here a line and taking here point P and here X. Now first taking a length 3.8 centimeter on the line PX. So this is 3.8 centimeter and taking here point A. Next taking 1 centimeter line from the point A. So the 1 centimeter, so this is 1 centimeter and taking here point Q. So first we have to bisect the line PQ. So putting the compass on the point Q and taking greater than half of PQ and drawing an arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a 2 point. Now first joining this line and which made the line PX at a point. So taking here point O. Now taking the length OP and OQ to draw here a semicircle. Next we have to draw a 90-degree angle on the point A. So putting the compass on the point A and taking any length and drawing an arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here, cut here, putting the compass here, cut here and drawing an arc here with same length, putting the compass here, cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now first joining this line and which made the semicircle at a point D. Now joining O and D, and this is the radius of the semicircle. Okay, so now from right angle triangle OAD, so OD is the hypotenuse and OA equal to base and AD equal to height of the right angle triangle, and AD equal to root 3.8 centimeter. If you don't know how to find out the value of AD, then please watch my video which is given in the channel. Okay, now taking the length AD equal to root 3.8 centimeter and cut here and putting the compass here and cut here again with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now joining first this, then joining this to get the square here. So taking here point B and here C. So the length of DC equal to root 3.8 centimeter and the length, this is root 3.8 centimeter, this is also root 3.8 centimeter and this is also root 3.8 centimeter. So therefore square ABCD, so square ABCD is a square of each side root 3.8 centimeter and the area of the square equal to root 3.8 into root 3.8 equal to 3.8 square centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.